Boo! Haha, did I get you? So today, we're gonna make a fun little Halloween treat. Let's get started. All right, so for all our ingredients here, we've got half a cup of butter, half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of creamy peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, half a cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, 12 wooden sticks, and then 12 bite-sized pieces of either Snickers or Milky Way. Okay, for mixing our dough up, we're going to combine the butter, the peanut butter, and both of the sugars in a large bowl and beat those together until it's nice and fluffy. And then throw in the egg and the vanilla and beat that in. And then in a separate bowl, combine the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. Stir that together, and then gradually add it to the batter and beat that together until it's nice and combined. Hey look, I'm actually prepared this time. Okay, so let's start off and throw in the butter, the peanut butter, and both of those sugars. Well, good thing I almost just dropped that because I just noticed the bowl wasn't locked in. There we go. All right, and now I'll throw in the egg and the vanilla.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I got some shell in there, no. Okay, and now I'll combine all those dry ingredients and then gradually add it in. Okay, there we go. All right, I should have said earlier, you actually want to beat that dough really thoroughly until it sticks together, because we're going to take it and divide it into 12 roughly even-sized balls. And then you're going to take those 12 pieces of candy, stick them on the end of the skewer, and then wrap the dough around it. Make sure it's fully covered. And then you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to lay those on ungreased cookie sheets about 4 inches apart. And then you're going to bake them for 14 to 16 minutes. Take them out, let them cool on the tray for about 10 minutes, and then move them to another surface to cool completely. All right, I'm going to take a skewer, grab a piece of candy, and drop the chocolate. Shove that in there. Make show you this. Here. Boop, boop, there we go. Okay. And then we'll wrap the dough all around the edge. Close enough. You get the idea. But yeah, if you are handing these out for Halloween, probably use popsicle sticks. So I realize these skewers are a little bit too long. They're gonna bump around in the oven, so I'm breaking them in half. So get some popsicle sticks so you don't have little pointy ends or splinters. Okay, and throw these in the oven. Okay, there we go. These are still cooling down, but once they're totally cool and firm, you can eat them just like a popsicle. Or you could just leave out the stick and eat them like a cookie. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next time, we're going to be making some really cool looking brownies. But until then, stay safe, be good to one another. I love you all. Bye!